Is air suspension suitable for drag racing? Have you ever wondered if air suspension can give you an edge on the drag strip? Let's break down how air suspension might fit into the world of drag racing, especially for trucks and 18-wheelers. Air suspension systems replace traditional coil or leaf springs with air springs, also known as airbags. This allows for adjustable ride height and suspension stiffness by changing the air pressure. In drag racing, particularly with trucks and 18-wheelers, air suspension can offer some notable benefits. One major advantage is traction improvement. By preloading the air suspension, you can optimize weight transfer during launch. This means you can shift weight to the drive wheels, usually the rear wheels, to enhance traction right off the line. This is essential for achieving a strong initial acceleration. Another benefit is adjustability. You can quickly change the air pressure to fine-tune the suspension stiffness and ride height based on track conditions. This flexibility helps racers find the right balance between traction and stability, which is key for a successful run. Air suspension also helps reduce chassis twist and wheel spin. By carefully tuning the airbags, you can minimize these issues, which are common in drag racing setups. This is particularly important for trucks that may carry heavy loads or have high torque. Additionally, air suspension can improve ride stability and handling. It reduces body roll, sway, and bottoming out during acceleration, allowing for better control and consistent performance on the track. Historically, air suspension has been utilized in drag racing since the early 1960s. It was recognized for its ability to aid traction without changing the vehicle's appearance or requiring extensive modifications. Companies like Airlift have developed specific products, such as drag bags, designed to preload suspension and improve quarter-mile times. These systems have proven effective enough to be used in professional drag racing and have contributed to record-setting performances. For trucks and 18-wheelers, which are generally heavier than passenger cars, air suspension is already a common upgrade for ride comfort and load handling. In drag racing, it can be adapted to manage heavy weight transfer during rapid acceleration, improving traction and reducing wheel hop. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Air suspension systems add components like compressors, airlines, and control units. This can increase weight and complexity, which is something to consider in drag racing where minimizing weight is crucial. Reliability is another factor. The components must be robust enough to handle the high stresses and vibrations of drag racing launches. Proper installation and maintenance are essential to ensure everything operates smoothly. Lastly, tuning expertise is necessary. Achieving the best performance with air suspension requires skillful adjustments of air pressure and suspension settings to match the vehicle and track conditions. In summary, air suspension can be suitable for drag racing with trucks and 18-wheelers when used correctly. It can improve traction, manage weight transfer, and stabilize the chassis during launch. While it offers adjustable tuning advantages over traditional springs, careful setup and consideration of added weight and complexity are vital. Many racers have successfully used air suspension systems to gain performance improvements on the drag strip.